basket. And this is what we did this year. Just a little bit of creating.
Will you spin it slowly for the people watching, Logan? Logan, will you spin it slowly for the people watching? Show it off, Logan.
Okay.
You're on video. You want to tell them about it? Just spin it or not?
So guys,
Don't spin it off the table though.
this is a little bit what we have this year.
Okay.
Me and my grandpa made this. We have more
Team Tiger Stripes.
Team Striker types. That was my sister. That wasn't supposed to be in the
Let's
video.
look at what they tell you could make it look like, and then we can look at what it looks like. I think the real thing looks tastier. You want to eat a picture or the real thing?
What?
Would you want to eat a picture of a gingerbread house or a real gingerbread house?
A real gingerbread.
There we go. So you guys at home should do this too.
Can I eat the chimney?
No.
Here.
Okay, we're signing off for now. And our competition is working on theirs.
The mint fell off.
Okay, say bye for now.
Bye for now.